God of War recap. Confirm button. Select. New game. Confirm button. Give me balance. Give me balance is for players who want an adventure that's equally focused on combat and gameplay. Confirm button. Select. Back button. Back. Give me grace. Give me grace is for players who want story. Give me story. Give me story is for players who want to experience. Give me balance.
Hungry? What's next?
Home. Storm is getting worse.
I'll get them ready. Need help?
Ready?
Use camera stick to look around. Press options button to access camera settings.
I know, but he was a little better yesterday. Until he wasn't. If he keeps eating, I'm not giving up on him. Hear that?
Yes.
Is it her?
It is her. The state is not far. Get ready.
Use move stick to steer around objects.
She wouldn't give up that easy, would she?
She never does. Stay alert.
There she is! Mother! Let go of him! Got you! You gotta get away from her!
I'm trying.
Up there! What's she? Look out! The trees! They're coming down! That was too close. She's coming around again!
I do not wish to fight you.
I'm losing my grip here! Father!
I have you. Hold tight. Protection stave is near.
Oh no! Wait, we're not your enemy!
Stay away!
Please don't make me do this! We're through the stave. We made it.
Let us go home.
It's Becky. Svana. Up. I'm sorry I couldn't take the shot.
I did not wish you to.
I keep hoping she'll let it go. You saved her life.
I killed her son. There is no letting that go.
Yeah. I guess killing Baldur really did bring on Fimbulwinter. Never stopped snowing after that day. Think it's ever gonna get better?
Someday. But the worst is still ahead of us. We must be strong.
I got it.
I will get the deer.
Go on, girls. I don't hear him. He always says hello.
Atreus.
Fenrir. You okay, boy? It's okay, boy. You're okay. I know. I missed you too. Where's your food? Still hungry? Come on, boy. You need to eat. Eat. Why? Too big? There you go. Good boy.
Atreus, the time draws near. You must prepare yourself.
For what? He's still eating. He wants to live.
He is dying.
You're a good boy. A brave boy. Fast and strong. But you can rest now. Okay? I'll be okay. You can let go now. You have to let go. Sofna. Afra. Tesu. Sofna. Hethon. Sofna. Sofna. Sofna.
Come. We train.
What? No. It's the middle of the night.
Night does not stop our enemies.
Why? What for? Training is all we ever do, ever. It's not enough. We can't hide forever.
We do not hide. We prepare for a fight for which we are not ready. We'll go.
Time is running out. The prophecies say Fimbulwinter leads to Ragnarok. War is coming. Whatever Loki's supposed to be doing, he's supposed to be doing it now. My story doesn't end hiding in these woods. I should be out there, finding out who I am, who Loki is.
I will not allow you to pick a fight with gods.
I don't want to fight anyone. I just want answers.
And if those answers lead to war with Asgard?
Maybe that's what Mother wanted.
We do not know what Mother wanted.
Looks like we never will. Look. Can I have a moment alone with Fenrir before I bury him?
Well, I recognize that dour expression anywhere. Care to tell me what went wrong?
The wolf is gone.
Oh, no. Not Fenrir. How's the lad taking it?
Not well. He goes to bury him.
Oh, damn it. All right, brother. Good night, then.
Kratos? Are you joining me?
Faye,
Are you ready? You walk as though Emir himself sits atop your shoulders.
this is your hunt. I will follow.
Very well, Grumbles. Fresh kill. At least it didn't suffer. Am I to decipher your grunting? Tell me your thoughts.
We hunt the predator.
A wolf. Yes.
Predators kill. It is the natural order of things.
Your words are misguided. Shh. Approach slowly. It's okay, little one. We want to help. Don't we? No, don't! Come on. The sick wolf we found beyond our stave. He found his way inside. As I said he would. We should have acted.
It was not our concern. Now it is.
The problem doesn't have to reach our doorstep for it to be our responsibility. If we have the power to limit the harm it could cause, we should act. Who are we to hide and do nothing?
We are not hiding.
This way. Gonna make me pick that one up? Good boy.
Press interact button to climb ledges.
Faye. Faye. Faye.
And there is much to do.
Brother! Brother! Brother?
Where's Atreus?
Hence my bellowing. He never came back from burying the wolf. It's been some time.
He cannot be far.
Journal unlocked.
Boulder's chasm is
Press
too
touchpad
unstable,
button
brother.
anytime to
The
review
lad wouldn't
objectives
try it.
and resources.
This has not been opened.
No prints this way either.
Brother, I'm quite certain he never came inside. Let's see. Tracks heading down to the frozen river. That's most likely where he did the burying. Fire's dwindling now. Where else could he have gone from here?
He crawled through here.
Press heavy attack button for a heavy attack.
You seem troubled in your sleep. Even for you. Nightmares?
Stick up.
I dream of the past. Almost every night.
Ah, the bad old days? In Greece?
No. It feels like Faye is trying to tell me something.
Hold move stick
You
plus
don't mean
press
to
sprint
say you're
button to
talking to
sprint.
Memory.
Use your words, brother.
The tracks stop here.
And we're not alone.
Press light attack button for light attack. Press heavy attack button for heavy attack. Press signature weapon ability button to recall the axe. Hold block button to block, or press evade button while moving to evade.
Behind you! Look out!
Double tap evade button while moving to roll.
Behind you, brother! Behind you, watch out!
Double tap evade button while...
Blasted raiders!
They should not be this close.
We should check on the protection stave. There's a tree up ahead, yeah?
Find health stones to restore Kratos' health.
Well,
You were right. The stave is broken.
explains our trespassers. What happened here?
bear, mauled.
By what?
A larger bear, wounded. The fight destroyed the tree. We must find Atreus.
Aye. Between the savage beasts and marauding raiders, he may have sought shelter. Follow the trail. We'll find him. Ah, we need a way around.
Holding,
Aha! Trail's on the
holding
other side
button
of that
plus
gap.
not attack button
If
to
you
throw
can
the
clear
Leviathan
way.
axe.
We won't find him this way. Let's find that trail of blood.
Press signature weapon ability button to holding button plus light attack button to throw. Press signature weapon ability button to press
Any idea
interact
what
button
could
to
have
jump
made the lad
gaps.
wander off.
We argued. He accuses me of hiding from Odin.
Only sensible to keep a low profile after killing 3 of his kin.
A reckoning will come. That is why Atreus must learn to survive on his own.
Oh, this is about that prophecy. Just because the giants had you dead on some wall full of otherwise accurate predictions.
I do not believe in prophecies.
Well, good.
Frost Awaken. Hold signature weapon ability button to frost up the axe.
On your right! Left side, brother!
All right, where's that trail gone?
Right before an attack hits, tap block button to parry.
Behind you, brother!
Too many for a scouting party. They must have a camp nearby.
I know what you're thinking, brother. But
Press interact button to climb onto a crack.
Torches. And the trail leads into that cave.
well, we know where we are going. I'm sure we can find a quiet way in. Or you can do that. these the raiders you rescued the wolves from?
No. They have not been here long.
Death from above. Sprint off a ledge. Once in the air.
Hegi skinned elder.
Behind you! Look out! Behind you! Incoming!
The trail goes through here. Leads deeper in.
There will be more.
Well, someone got in the bear's way.
Raider, left flank!
We'll need our own way up to find it again.